Hello there, thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and we are here at McDonald's. Yeah, I'm Tony, and say hi, Angela.
Who is this? Hi, Angela.
So we're at the we're going to kick this video off with a look at the McDonald's, spaceship here in Roswell, New Mexico. It's got aliens on the outside. We're going to take a look on the inside, and the rest of Roswell too. We're going to take a look at it and take you along with us. Because we're here for a week, so we should be able to see everything at least twice, maybe 3 times. So come on with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life. Is that your line? Come on with us. It's a big place inside. You got seating. They got Donald in a spacesuit. Kind of cool. Definitely different. One of a kind. That's for sure. And outside of McDonald's, they got this guy, and they got another one there for the drive up. And there's another alien around here somewhere. I don't know where he's at though. He's got his hand up in the air. He's this way. I wanted in front of McDonald's, but I did find this one directly across the street from McDonald's. He's huge. Now there are more than just aliens in this town. There's actually, here's their county seat, so that's their courthouse. And behind me here is a really nice. Can you see it in the sun? I'm only doing it for this view because it's really cool. It's pretty neat.
You're in a Western stage show.
All kinds of stuff there. This is the welcome center. Take a picture taking with some aliens. Nice shirts. They're just trying to blend in. And this, I guess, used to be a fountain. Kind of cool, but it's right here next to a really nice mural. Old Fair, New Mexico, Roswell Native Elizabeth Garrett. Huh. Kind of cool. And here's another store. It's got places that you can take pictures of. All kinds of stuff. Trespass will be experimented on. Cool place. Definitely different. Pay before entry. Okay. Maybe some light. It's kind of cool. All right. Security cameras in use under surveillance. That haunted house telephone. Sit down with the aliens. Love it. So we'll have to do some of that. We'll have to take some stills.
We did.
Especially since this place is empty right now. We're here on a Tuesday and it's early. It's like before noon, so I'm sure this place will fill up a little bit. It's really a little brighter than this in here than it looks.
Did you see the sign?
Uh-huh.
This one is biological analysis,
Uh-huh.
function analysis, relaxation analysis,
No.
and time lapse.
And time lapse. Yeah, we're gonna have to do some of this. It's hilarious. Now we are about to head into this place. I don't know if they're going. We're going. See that lady there. So this room here is basically the main entrance into this museum. It's only $5 to go through for military. Take advantage of that military discount. 1947 yesterday. You can look it up. Basically, they found some debris that they couldn't identify from 1947 on a rancher's farm, or his property, I should say. And then, of course, they said it was an air balloon, and then, which is why you see parachutes. But this, you go around this place here, and it basically takes you through the findings and what was happening, because he actually found it on July 4th is when he found it. Pretty cool. There's more of it. Again, so it's just a timeline of who said what, when, where, and this is some of the actual pictures of the debris that was found. It was like a soft, flexible aluminum foil kind of stuff. That's a pretty neat setup, though. I think this thing here, I've seen some videos, this actually kicks out smoke and stuff. Jiggles around a little bit. One of the things that was found was a mannequin that was, they had dropped high above. They said that's what it was, but that was back in the early 70s they did that. Well, I know that because I watched a bunch of videos on it yesterday. I know they never really found a saucer, but they described it as a saucer at one time before the word flying saucer was actually coined, so. Cool place though. It's a little more kept than the last place we were in. There was a famous video made of a guy that looked like that. And it was really more like this. There was a video. They say it was all staged though. Oh, the poor guy. And this area here is basically of other UFO encounters from around the contract zones from New Hampshire. It's time for art. They've got some art pieces down through here. It's kind of a video.
The trial to safety is advised.
Unfortunately for our visitors, the universe has other plans.
This room's only built for like 6 people to be in here at a time. It's a neat video. Married to her, you gotta come to the rock shop. They have lots of rocks. She's looking at some over there. Nito Spagito. Lots of shops like these. Is that Buc-ee's? No. Lots of shops. There was probably, I don't know, 12 shops that are kind of like this. Some go off on the incense and stuff like that. But anyway, it's kind of a cool place. Had to stop here and get a picture of this mural here. Got the whole cow thing and everything. It's really nice. They did a good job with it. Really big eyeball. This is right off the main post. So he's about 8 feet tall. He's huge. But these are supposed to get behind and act like you're inside of there. I might get my wife to take a picture of me doing that. Go stand next to that alien. Come on. See how thrilled she is. She's tired. She's hungry too. And now we're at Spring Hill Zoo here in Roswell. It's free. Those are capybaras. Buffalo. These llamas are checking out the dog. The coyote. They're a little bigger than a house cat, probably twice the size, I would think. He's all fleshed out. He's gonna turn around. Come on. Nice. Ah, now it's recording. The lemurs. Can you hear them grunt? Down here looking at the dog. So this is Dr. Goddard, not an MD. He was a scientist doctor, PhD. But what he did was he loved rocket propulsion. And this is actually his actual tower that he used when he did experiments in the 1940s for rocket propulsion. Pretty cool. So I'm here at the airport terminal. They got a Walker Aviation Museum, which is over there. It's actually that part right there, but it's closed. A little bizarre. I would think it would be open, but it's hours on it say it is open. But they do have a nice cafeteria area here, and they've got this here, which is pretty cool. Kind of different. So this is the site of the crash. No, just kidding. It's actually off a very busy road, but this is one of the more famous spots, and you can see people come out here and graffiti. That's too bad. I was gonna put my sticker on, maybe on the back of it, but not on the front of it. But it's too bad that the premises they're broke down, and so this guy here is going to give him a jump off this truck. See, he's holding the he's holding the cords. That's pretty neat, though. It's too bad people graffitied it. Or it really look good. It's look good on one day, and it's actually I think it's private property here, but they put a hole in the fence so people could actually come in here and quit cutting down their fence and to see this. It's pretty neat. And here we are at the big Roswell sign. Yep, kind of cool. Got stickers on here. Ooh, nice. I got a sticker. Oh yeah. If it'll stick, it did stick finally.